Hello everyone, we are going to discuss another topic today on Forex Basics tutorial series. So let's see what topic we have for today. Okay, today we are going to discuss very important and basic concept in Forex trading, which is time frames on price charts and trading sessions. This is very basic, without which no trade can be taken. It is the fundamental first step in taking a trade. So let's see what it is. So time frames are very important in forex trading, and actually it forms the basis of your trade, and using time frames effectively forms the basis of your successful trade. And until you do your time frame analysis, you will not be able to set up your trade. So as I said earlier, that this is the basic first step in actually analyzing your first trade. So what are the time frames on price charts? So these are the following time frames that are shown on your price chart, or whatever trading platform you're using. These are mostly the time frames. They actually help in analyzing historical trends of price movements, and by moving into different time frames you can analyze the price movement and develop your strategy of your trade. So basically, if you take up a monthly analysis or a weekly analysis or a daily analysis, then it will show you different type of analysis. From there you can develop your strategy. So these are the time frames: monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes. And in order to develop your trading strategy, first analyze the daily chart, and then H4 and H1. So let's see in detail about these time frames. So see, you have a monthly and weekly, right? So you start with the monthly. When you select a monthly chart, then actually what it means that each candle in that chart represents 1 month, right? So if you look at this monthly chart, the one candle in the yellow circle, actually it represents 1 month. So in the same way, when you select weekly chart, so one candle represents 1 week. And in the same way daily, and in the same way 4 hours, in the same way 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes. So in all of these, one candle represents the relative time frame. So now look at it, the trading session. What are the trading session? This is another important basic step that a forex trader has to take before they take their trade. First they have to go for a time frame, and then they have to see which part of the world they are sitting, and then according to that they look, if they want to take a trade, and see what are the markets that are open at this time, what are the markets that are closing, what are the other markets that are opening in forex trading. So let's see what happens when the day starts at 00 hour. The traders wake up in Auckland or Wellington, then it moves to Sydney, and then Singapore, Hong Kong, Tokyo, and then it moves to the European region, Frankfurt, London, and finally to the North American region, New York. And when the New York session closes, it actually time to start the New Zealand session. So it's a 24-hour market, 5 days of the week, and it's literally like 24 hours open. So that's why it's very big market. So now let's look at it in the same way we in the trading sessions. Like first of all, Auckland, New Zealand, where it starts, and then the time frame moves to Sydney, USA, Sydney, Australia, and Tokyo, Japan, Frankfurt, Europe, London, UK, and then New York, USA. So this is how it actually works. So when it starts in New Zealand at the 00 hour, then it moves, the clock keeps moving along, and then at the end when it reaches USA, and when this USA markets close at the 24 hour, then it's time again at the 00 hour from the New Zealand that the trading starts again. So it's literally 24 hours a day the market is open. That's why it's such a big market, and everybody can have its share, and they can take a trade any time of the day. So there are a lot of flexibility and options. So in more detail, look at the map, how it starts. So first of all, in New Zealand it starts, and then number two, Australia, and then JPY, Japanese, and then Euro, Europe's inside, and then the Switzerland. I think it's the same time, and then we have United Kingdom, and then we go to the North American side with USA and Canada. Okay, that's about it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like it. I will see you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.